Agile is the perfect system. Every sprint is flawlessly planned, tasks are evenly distributed, and teams collaborate in perfect harmony. In theory. In reality, every Agile sprint is a barely controlled dumpster fire, and somehow, we just keep doing it, again, and again, and again. So yeah, I figured it's time for a little rant. Today, let's break down the 5 chaotic phases of the average Agile experience. 1. Sprint planning. It all starts with realistic workload discussion, which is just corporate for, let's squeeze a month's worth of work into 2 weeks. The product owner drops an absurd wish list. Dev team gives cautious estimates. Management leans in and asks, "Can you do it faster?" A dev whispers, "This'll take 2 weeks." Product owner, "How about 2 days?" Then enters the Scrum Master, full of hope. Agile is about adaptability. Translation, you're gonna suffer, but hey, flexibly. 2. Daily stand-up. The daily stand-up. Supposed to be a quick check-in, but now, it's an Olympic test of attention span. Half the team goes, "Yesterday I did this, today I'll do this, no blockers." The other half, mentally on a beach somewhere, just waiting to repeat the same thing. Meanwhile, the manager hijacks the whole thing and turns it into a one-on-one interrogation. Where's the update on that feature? You know, the one no one even started. 3. Mid-sprint chaos. Halfway through, everything's on fire. That simple 2-day feature? Yeah. Now it's a week-long hell full of edge cases. One minor stakeholder tweak? Boom. Half the app is broken. Bugs are multiplying. Morale is tanking. Developers mysteriously start having Wi-Fi issues just to dodge another emergency Zoom because nothing screams Agile like last-minute chaos. 4th sprint review. Now it's demo day. Everyone scrambles to make half-built features look polished. One dev nervously presents the new login page while praying, "Please don't click the button. Please, just don't." Managers, of course, nod with that fake "this was the plan all along" look. Totally under control. Totally. 5. Retrospective. And finally, the grand finale, the retrospective, where everyone pretends next sprint will be different. We should communicate better. We need realistic estimates. Let's avoid last-minute changes. All noted, all forgotten, all ignored. Because by Monday, we're back at it with the same disasters, just in different wrapping. Agile at its core is like a roller coaster with no brakes. It's chaotic, it's exhausting, and somehow we keep getting back on. It's a toxic relationship, but like professionally. And yeah, I need it. But hey, still better than waterfall, probably. If this rant felt a little too real, like and subscribe to officially become part of CodeBlastX.